In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spotify to Alexa. By the end, you'll be able to say a simple voice command and have your favorite songs, playlists, and podcasts start playing instantly. To follow along, make sure you have an Amazon Alexa compatible device, a stable internet connection, and your Spotify login handy. First, install the Amazon Alexa app on your phone or tablet. You can grab it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Open the app and complete the initial setup. If you're new to Alexa, you'll sign in with your Amazon account and follow the prompts to add your Echo or other Alexa-enabled device. Keep your device on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone to avoid pairing hiccups. If the app asks for permissions like Bluetooth or local network access, allow them so Alexa can discover your device smoothly. Next, open the music settings in the Alexa app. From the main dashboard, tap the More button at the bottom, then select Settings. Scroll until you find Music and Podcasts and tap it. This is the hub where you manage which services Alexa can use for playback. Now it's time to link Spotify. Tap Link New Service and look for Spotify in the list. Select it to begin. If you don't see Spotify, make sure your app is updated and that Spotify is available in your region. To connect your Spotify account, tap Enable to Use. A secure login screen will appear. Sign into Spotify and confirm the permissions to link the accounts. This allows Alexa to access your playlists, liked songs, and listening history. Double check you're logging into the correct Spotify account, especially if you have separate personal and family profiles. When the link is successful, you'll see Spotify listed among your linked services in the Alexa app. You can optionally set Spotify as your default music service so you don't have to say on Spotify every time. In music and podcasts, tap Default Services. Select Spotify as your default music provider and, if available, as your default podcast provider too. This makes voice commands shorter and more reliable. You're all set. Try simple voice commands like Alexa, play music on Spotify, Alexa, play my playlist, or Alexa, skip this song. You can also ask for artists, genres, or podcasts. If playback doesn't start, make sure your Alexa device is online, confirm the same Spotify account is linked, and adjust the volume by saying Alexa, volume 5. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.